Hello guys, so update ko lang sa inyo kung anong nangyari sa eyes ko after 2 months ng LASIK surgery sa AUF, so Angeles University Foundation sa Pampanga. So nagpa-LASIK ako around December 20, I think. Tapos ito yung screening. So ni-screening ako dyan with the other patients. I think marami kami nun because nakapromo sila ng 50%. Then ayan si Doc Angeles, Andrew Angeles, magaling na doktor, very veteran. So this is after the surgery, so may mga actually di ko alam paano ako nakapag-picture dyan since wala talaga akong makita. Very like white yung nakikita ko dyan, parang may cellophane na nakapatong sa mata ko. Then ito, nasa bahay na ako nyan, nasa condo. Nag-grab ako pa uwi because hindi ako makapag-drive dahil sobrang sakit ng mata ko during the night time. Yung ilaw is like very blurred. Okay, tapos ito yung a day after the surgery. So chinek yung mata ko kung okay ba, may mali bang nagawa during the operation, pero wala naman. So far, goods naman. Actually, medyo malabo pa yung nakikita ko dito, pero nag-improve based dun sa past eyesight ko. Kasi may yung eyes ko dati sobrang labo, is like kapag nagdadrive ako, di ako nakakita ng mga plate numbers and signages. Then, ayun. Itong picture na to very random lang. Office ni Dr. Rando to, na very like intrigue lang ako because parang ito yung chart dati nung elementary kami na you have like very different parts of the eye. Tapos if you want to visit them, ito yung address nila. They are open from I think Monday to Friday. Tapos if may car kayo, may parking dun sa likod ng hospital. So far, 2 months after the surgery is, I think everything went well. Nakapagtrabaho ako after a week of the surgery. Then nakaligo ako ng maayos like a month. Nababasa ako ng eyes ko and hindi na ako medyo sensitive sa shampoo. I might say na ito yung parang pinakamagandang investment na ginawa ko so far. Parang ito yung like one of the biggest purchases na the best, like in the top 3. Since eyes ang pinag-uusapan and eyes are very important to us, and I'm very thankful na naging successful naman yung operation.